Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I have been here for 22,500 longer than you. I don't need people, but people need me. Your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. My oceans, my flowing streams, my forests, my soil, they all can take you. I am nature. I am prepared to evolve. Are you? Nature doesn't need people. People need nature. What about sunrise? What about rain?
What about all the things that you said want to gain?
What about killing fish? Is there a time? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we have said before?
Did you ever stop to notice the crying earth, the weeping shores?
The crying earth, the weeping shores. The crying earth, the weeping shores.
I am the ocean.
I am the ocean.
I am the water. I am most in this planet.
Every stream, every cloud, every rainfall all come back to me.
Every living thing needs me.
I don't owe them a single thing.
I give,
They take.
but I can always take it back.
The humans take more than their share.
But I can't live without them.
I am the ocean, that's all I have say.
Nature doesn't need people. People need nature.
The crying earth, the weeping shores. The crying earth, the weeping shores. What have we done to the world? Look what we have done.
What about all the trees that reflect your only sun?
What about the flowering fields? Is there a time? What about all the dreams that you see, yours and mine?
I am a flower. I am beautiful. I never grow old. I inspire poets and painters. People underestimate the power of pretty little flower. Nature doesn't need people. People need nature. The crying earth, the weeping shores. The crying earth, the weeping shores. Did you ever stop to notice all the children's dead from war?
Did you ever stop to notice the crying earth, the weeping shores?
The crying earth, the weeping shores. The crying earth, the weeping shores. I am the soil. I am in the hills,
Valleys, farms and orchards. Without me, human cannot access.
but they treat me like dust.
I am broken,
Aching sick.
overused.
Are you paying attention?
I am turning into dust.
I hope you have some respect because nature doesn't need people. People need nature.
The
crying earth, the weeping shores. The crying earth, the weeping shores. I used to dream. I used to glance beyond the stars.
I'm coral.
I'm coral.
Some people think that I'm just a rock.
In fact, I am the largest thing alive on this planet.
I'm so big that you can see me from space. I live in the bottom of the sea. You don't see me often, but you need me.
I am the nursery of the sea.
The fish depends on me for the food.
And you eat the big fish.
The protein factor. I'm the protein factor of the world.
And you rise the temperature.
Stop killing me. Nature doesn't need people. People need nature.
The crying earth, the weeping shores. The crying earth, the weeping shores. Hey, what about yesterday?
What about us?
What about the seas?
What about us? The heavens are falling down. What about us?
I can't even breathe.
What about us?
What about the bleeding earth?
What about us?
Can't we feel it wounds?
What about us? What about the nature's birth?
What about us? It's a planet worm.
What about us? What about animals?
What about us?
We have turned kingdoms to dust.
What about us?
Have we lost the trust?
What about us? What about the crying whales?
What about us? We are ravaging the sea.
What about